Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you are my return subscriber, thank you for always watching my videos. Today we're making apple and satsuma smoothie for weight loss. First I'm going to wash and prep my ingredients. Okay guys, first I'm going to wash and prep my apple. Okay guys, that's my apple prepped. Now onto my satsuma. Firstly I'm going to wash it. First guys, I'm going to peel it. Okay guys, that's all my ingredients prepped. It's now to put them all into my speed blender. Okay guys, first goes in my satsuma. And finally after that, I'm going to add apples and water. I'll now cover and blend for 30 to 40 seconds. Okay guys, I've just finished blending up my apple and satsuma smoothie for weight loss. It is now time to serve it. Let me know in the comment section below which country you're watching me from. As we are now coming to the end of the video, kindly like, share, comment and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, bye guys.